Hello Judy, this is my final presentation of the course. My name is Juan Gutierrez and I want to talk about the Foundry process. So in the first place, I want to explain the Foundry process in easy terms in order to have an idea about what is it. It basically have take a material, expose it to a high temperature in order to have it in liquid state. After you have it, you pour it in a mold. It is going to take the shape that you want to make the part, and after that you just call it and you have the part. This process, it is really important to follow the appropriate rules and normative, because you are working with thousands of degrees. So the smallest mistake can be a really dangerous thing for the people that is working there. So to talk about the process, the first step is to make the model. The model is made with sand, but this is normal sand, river sand. So it's kind of curious how this sand can receive thousands of degrees. I think it's something curious, or at least impressive. What people do is basically they have like a box with the shape that they want of the part, and they throw the sand, and sometimes they add some chemistries in order to the sand to get some special properties that depend on the part that you want to make. After you make that, what you do, you make two models, like the top of the part and the bottom, and then you just you create the model like a box. What you see in the screen is the box. This is the top part and the bottom of the box. They also leave a space in order to pour the material. They pour the material through this hole, and it's really important to be careful with the velocity and the way that you're going to pour the material, because these have a significant revelation in the mechanical properties of the material. So you need to be really careful when you are doing the pouring. So you make the pouring through the hole, and all the space of the sand model is going to get full of the material. And then after doing that, you just have to wait. So the liquid material is going to get colder, and after that you just break the sand with the hammer or with any tool, and you drop water in order to get even colder, so it is easy to manipulate. After that, you just make any mechanical work if you want, like cleaning the material of the sand or something, or things like that. And that's basically the process. I don't enter in more details because I don't want you to get bored. So this is important. That is the products that are made in this process. Most of parts of machines are made with this process, because you can make really precise parts with really good mechanical properties. So you can make nuts, pipes, valves, and also accessories of machines. Also, you can make engines of most of the vehicles that human use are made with this process. And also you can do it with tools. You can make tools with this process, I'm sorry. So this is a process that humans do a lot, and it's really useful to make a lot of things that are necessary for us. Also, this process is most used in metals. So that's something that you should know. And that's it. Thank you for the course and for all the classes, and have a good day. Thank you.